Hey guys, welcome to Dagi Programmer. In this tutorial, we'll see how we can connect a PHP file to our MySQL database. So for that, I have a folder called PHP Connect. So this is our website directory. It's located inside the htdocs directory if you're using XAMPP. And if you're using WAMP, make sure your website folder is inside www directory. So now I'm inside the htdocs and PHP Connect file folder. I'll create a landing page called index.php. Okay, so then let's open our page localhost / php underscore connect. So this is our landing page. Okay, of course, make sure you have XAMPP, Apache, and MySQL started, because we're gonna be working on databases. So let's check if we have. This is our landing page. So let's say hello PHP. Save it, then refresh. So we can see this is our index page. The next thing is we'll create a new file called connect. You can name it whatever you want. So connect.php. So in this file, we will need four variables. The first one is our server name. Our server name will be localhost. Okay, so the reason why VS Code is not recommending me in coloring my variables or whatever code I have is I didn't declare the PHP here. Okay, so this is one way of connecting PHP to MySQL database, and there is the PDO way. This is the MySQLi. So let's have our maybe DB name or username instead. Let's have a username, data DB name, and password. Okay. Now if we will create a connection and we'll check if our connection is right, then proceed. So we will create a connection file. This will be connecting our MySQLi connect. Connect our server name, our username, our password, and our DB name or database name. So next thing is we need to go to our PHP myadmin. Okay, so localhost / PHP myadmin. Then we need to create a new database. Okay, new database. Let's just say PHP. So our database name is PHP. If we, for example, try to connect, let's connect it using let's include our connect file. Okay, so now when you refresh, you can see there's a MySQL error. So we'll have a username. Let's go to our privileges. add a user account. Let the username be Dagi. So come here, put the username, then we'll use localhost, and password will be okay, United strong. Okay, United space strong. So let's put our password here, space strong. Okay, now we need to grant privileges here. We need to give privileges for this user. Let's just give it every privilege. We will create a user. Now if I refresh, no error. So I'll use if our connection is true. Okay, echo connection successful, or connected successfully. Connected successfully. Okay, let's just refresh. It's connected successfully. So by default, let's make it if not connect. If our connection is not connected, let's say connection error. Okay, now we can see we don't have an error. So this is our index page. This is our connection file. This is how we connect our PHP website with our MySQL database. Thank you for watching. See you next time.